Hey everyone, it's Steve with TNT. Just wanted to show you this 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera. We did pretty much the entire car with our custom coverage PPF, where we modify all the patterns and make everything bigger, trim and tuck where we can. The only thing we didn't do on this car was the rear bumper and the rear spoiler, but we did add a rear splash piece back there. Our custom coverage offers better protection and better coverage than pre-cut kits. For example, most of the corners are all covered and tucked. We remove these trim pieces, tuck the film up underneath there. We'll go through, we'll tuck the film underneath this rear quarter window. I know those can be removed, but we haven't done it yet. We'll tuck the film wherever possible and get most corners better than any pre-cut kit will. We do charge extra for that, but it does look much better. But there's also nothing wrong with pre-cut kits because they provide pretty much the same protection, just you notice more edges on the pre-cut kits than you would our custom coverage. So but this is the new shade green metallic. We also tinted the windows with our i3 33%, which looks pretty dark on this car based on the size of it. And then we did do our new service on this one. We applied our windshield protection film on the exterior of the windshield. This will stop minor sandblasting, minor rock chips, and it has about a 6 to 12 month warranty on it. You probably see longer durability on it if it's a garage queen and not driven a lot in the rain. But if it's a daily driver, you can expect it to last anywhere from 6 to 12 months, depending on what's hitting it and what's on the wipers. But it's clear, you can't even tell it's there. We get all the edges nice and shaved. So it's a nice little add-on to protect the front of the vehicle. So just wanted to show you that. If you guys have any questions, we'd be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.